Okay, looks like everything's working. We got proper icons.
Kitchen door open.
Let's try.
Amy's window open.
Log with picture open, closed.
Long time. Milobia long time.
So I'm gonna add a couple more door contacts to the system. And another speaker. That's this YoLink guy right here. It's pretty good. 30 bucks. I am currently using the SLZB MR4U dual antenna. Don't need both antennas, but I bought it just for if I ever do any thread stuff. Started with just using the Zigbee home automation, ZHA. But like everyone on Reddit, they told me to switch over to Zigbee 2 and QTT. I get it. Lots more information helps kind of figure out my garbage LQI setup, but it's trying. You can see it's trying to rebuild, but we'll see. See how she goes. All right, so let's add these. Try to get these. And we'll show you how I add these. Turn on permit joy. Throw the there we go. That's one. Four new guys. We can get our speaker working. Here are two speakers. Okay, now let's try to make it look nice. This is flashing red when contact is open. So on my dashboard, you'll see we get flashing red if something's open, saying we cannot arm in any of these modes. Close it up. Now it's green. Gives us our 60-second countdown. I've got them kind of all here. I just got to change them all to the right sensor. Let's do that. Yeah, targets. How's the door? Front door. Just battery, which that is. Can't get the contacts. This. Just battery feedback.